We all spend more time in our inbox than we'd like. The average professional receives around 100 emails a day and sends about 50. That adds up to more than an hour every day just managing email. Hostinger Mail changes that by putting AI at the center of your inbox. Instead of spending time writing emails, searching conversations, or reading long threads, AI helps you do it in seconds. It comes with 5 built-in AI tools. An AI email writer to create professional emails, smart replies for one-click responses, AI summaries to shorten long conversations, smart search that understands natural language, and AI personalization that learns your writing style. Everything is powered by Kodee, Hostinger's AI assistant. Just ask it to search emails, organize folders, update settings, or summarize conversations, and it gets the job done. Your privacy stays protected because your emails are never used to train AI models, and you can turn AI features off whenever you want. At the end of the day, Hostinger Mail is designed to give you back your most valuable resource, your time. Less time managing your inbox, and more time focusing on what really matters.